delighted to be here today. I'm very excited to congratulate all of you on your promotion to senior. This is the first step in your leadership journey at EY. You're now moving from a stage where problem solving was the most important thing you had to do to also managing relationships. So increasingly, both client relationships as well as relationships with your teams and colleagues. And I know that the program in the next 3 days will help you build these skills.
This would give me a huge opportunity to network with my colleagues from other parts of the city and service lines.
Meeting a lot of people, meeting a lot of my new colleagues.
Crazy partying, late night chit-chats. It's a fun time to catch up.
Hi, I'm Jad. I'm from the Doha office. Very happy, very excited.
The Indian Youth Senior Program is the biggest milestone program which we run for our newly promoted 900 plus senior consultants. This is the only program where we are able to bring the service lines together. And the entire purpose of this program is preparing them for becoming a better future leader for EY as a practice.
The Indian Youth Senior Program fits in very well with the essence of Vision 2020. Through the concepts of delegation, feedback, coaching, client interaction, as well as building relationships, we've tried to leverage on the strength of exceptional client service, high-performing teams, and winning in the market.
The facilitators are too good and they are giving us real-time examples and sharing their own first-hand experiences with us.
One thing I want to highlight here is the participation of people from Middle East and North Africa. It is really good experience to network with people across the border, which would not have been possible unless NSP like this was conducted by EY.
Coming here to India and understanding a whole different perspective on things and how things are done and run here in India, it gives me a better idea, a more holistic view about our business.
They're just full of energy. They want to speak, they want to participate, they want to add value, they want to discuss, and that makes it a very special experience for me as well.
The most interesting session was about the LinkedIn, which actually gave me a lot of insight on the social branding and how to create a good profile and be visible out there.
The team here who has organized the event has managed to balance it out as well, so there are fun events planned throughout the day. I think it's a brilliant opportunity within the classrooms to interact with people from different parts of the country as well as across the country from MENA.
India is just a very diverse culture. I think they're very hardworking as well. They're very eager in the class, so it's a lot to learn from them.
This program is designed to celebrate their success, and there would be no celebration without having fun.
The main agenda is fun, work hard and party harder.
And, there were drums and people coming making us dance, carrying us up, and it's been phenomenal.
So one of the best parts of the NSP training was that not only did we have a fun learning experience, but we also got to contribute to our favorite CSI initiatives through getting these Guri coupons.
So there was fun involved with social responsibility. So all the coupons we could use to play games, and unknowingly we are doing some good cause.
I absolutely love the energy and enthusiasm. I love the Indian team. I'm having an amazing time. This is perfect.
Fantastic!
Big congratulations to Team L&D for pulling off this magnanimous program. Being a part of EY, you've actually celebrated your promotions with the entire team, with the leadership, all coming in, participating with great enthusiasm. So it's been a great experience.
I have a 2-year-old son. He wasn't too well, so I was not sure about coming to the event. But after coming here, I'm glad that I could make it, and it was really worth it.
It was my first time, but definitely not my last one. NSP in India, I'll be back next year.
Overall, it was wonderful, and I can't wait to have a chance to do this again. So,
Congratulations on your promotion to senior again. As we come to the end of the session, I hope all of you had a lot of fun. You were entertained, educated, and coached. You met a lot of new friends, made some new relationships. As you head back to the real world, I want you to think about the last 3 or 4 days and think about what you're going to apply to make EY contribute to a better working world.